Okay, good morning. This is to show you guys how to get to assignments. I've had a couple of parents and students email me about getting to assignments. So what I want you to do is when you are in teams, and everybody's teams like this is going to look different, okay? I have mine in this view. You might have yours in where they're listed over here on this side, but I like mine with the different squares. And I'm members of different teams than you guys, so that's another reason this looks different. But here are all my art teams. I have kindergarten, so if you're in kindergarten, it's going to look like this. If you're in first grade, it's going to look like this. Second grade, look like this. Third, fourth, fifth. Now the thing is, it can't exactly be housed. Kindergarten art lessons aren't going to be housed with your homeroom class. First grade art lessons aren't going to be housed with your homeroom class. It's here for art. I hate to say it, but it's kind of like high school where you have several different classes. You're going to have a different team for art. You're going to have a different team for PE, a different team for music, a different team for STEM, and a different team for your homeroom. Okay? So when you find the one that's for you, you're going to click on it. Okay, and it takes you to this is what mine pops up looking like. If you're ever meeting, if it's ever your class time, you don't come here before class time, you come here at class time. You can go to your calendar and your meeting will be here. See, I have Miss Eaton's art class in just a couple of minutes, and I would click on that to join. I'm not going to click on that because that's not what I'm here to show you. I'm here to show you assignments. So I had clicked on the K. It brought me to the kindergarten team. Up here, you see general, post, files, class notebook, assignments. Two more. There's grades and recordings. I need to delete this recordings because actually, oh shoot. Hopefully I'm going to pause that. I'm going to house recordings over here. So if you ever miss a lesson, I record. I try to remember. I forget sometimes, but a lot of the classes are going to be housed over here in recordings. So if you ever miss a lesson, you can come over here, recordings, and click on it, and that will take you to me teaching. Assignments. So you're going to click on assignments. Kindergarten has 2 right now. All grades have 2 right now. Last week we were doing the draw a circle. Every grade level did draw a circle and turn it into something new. This week kindergarten is lines. Every grade level have something different, but you should all have 2 assignments. So I'm going to click on this assignment, draw a circle. It was due yesterday. No stress. Please don't stress about getting these art lessons in. Art should be fun. It shouldn't be stressful. Now mine is going to look different because I'm the teacher. I'm the one. I can edit the assignment. I can see everybody's name and who's viewed it and who's turned it in, right? So I want to show you what yours looks like. This is the assignment. Draw a circle, turn into something new. So again, I'm going to go back. I'm going to show you again, okay? Click on assignments. Click on the assignment you're looking for. I'm going to go to student view. So here are the instructions. It's the first week of art. We read The Dot by Peter Reynolds. I'm including a link to his book, Ish. Both are about a student who did not believe that he could draw, but with encouragement, they realized they needed to see drawing differently. It's not about whether you can draw perfectly. It's about trying to believe in you're an artist. And you are an artist. So I have the students draw a circle. Now, what can that circle be? A tiger, an eyeball, a moon. Use your imagination and turn that circle into something, anything. Add details and color, and don't forget to sign it. All right, now I included links to both Ish and The Dot. I read one of these to your class, but I went ahead and included both links. So you can click on it, and it takes you straight to that link. You can press play and watch that if you want to. Same with The Dot. You can click on it. There it is. I can watch it if I want to. Now down below it says student work. So yours is going to say my work, add work, and you will be able to click on this, and that's where you will post a picture of your work. So that's it. Click on assignments. Let's try it again. All right, go back to general. All right, click on assignments. Click on the assignment you're looking for. Read through the directions. Sometimes I will have links down here. And then here, yours will say my work, add work, and post a picture of your work, turn it in. Done. But please, like I said, do not stress. Specials are not supposed to be stressful. They're supposed to be fun. So I don't want you to stress about it. But those are the directions I have for turning that in. So I hope that helps. Let me know if it does not.